In this video we're going to review the Metabo BAS 261 bandsaw. This of course is the smallest we've got in our Metabo bandsaw range. We also do the 318 and the 505 bandsaw. BAS stands for bandsaw. 261 refers to your throat size less your guard. Let's have a look at scope of delivery of this machine. With this machine you get a A6 universal blade, your rib fence, enabling you to do straight cuts or rib cuts, your miter fence marked 0 to 60 degrees both ways, and lastly your push stick to do safe cuts on your bandsaw. And just remember, this is replaceable, your fingers aren't. Let's have a look at the features of this machine. Starting with your light switch, illuminating your table. Below you have your on and off switch. On this side of the machine you have a professional head, top and bottom, meaning you have roller bearings on either side of the blade, as well as at the back for your load. On this side you have your height adjustment with a maximum cutting height of 103 millimeters. Should you wish to change the blade or do some maintenance, both the top and the bottom door can be opened toolless with a simple turn of your door opener. If we have a look inside, the top and the bottom door has micro switches for safety reasons. Both flywheels are coated with a rubber tire for noise reduction. On top we have your adjustment for your tension on your blade. If we have a look at the back, you have your adjustment for your flywheel camber, which enables you to center your blade on your flywheel. The machine also comes with a quiet 400 watt induction motor, which is maintenance free. We are in our workshop and we're going to do various cuts using the accessories. If you would like more information on our Metabo bandsaw range, please contact Metabo South Africa or your nearest Metabo dealer.